First, we are going to cover how to sterilize water and sterilize baby equipment for babies under 4 months old. Our very first step is to wash your hands for 20 seconds before you do anything for baby. Sterilizing is done to kill the germs. So why do we boil water? Well, we boil water because water has germs that we cannot see, and these germs can make baby very sick. So it is important to sterilize our water by boiling it. Start by filling the pot with cold water and boil the water for 2 minutes. Once the water has boiled for 2 minutes, the water is now safe for baby. Do not use bottled water. Bottled water is not sterile. It has not been boiled for 2 minutes. It's not safe for a baby because bottled water has germs too. Once the water is boiled and cooled, you can take the water and transfer it into a container for storage. Now remember, everything that comes in contact with the water for baby needs to be sterile. This includes the container, the bottles, any spoons, anything in contact with the water. This needs to be done in order to make the water safe for baby. And remember, this needs to be done for babies under 4 months old. Remember, tightly close the container for 2 to 3 days in the refrigerator or store it for 24 hours at room temperature. So, for review, fill a pot with cold tap water and bring it to a roiling boil and boil it for 2 minutes. Then, you want to remove the pot from the heat and cool the sterilized water. Then pour the sterilized water into a sterilized container, and then you can store it. When it's time to use the water, you want to make sure you use something that has a handle. This allows you to transfer the water from the container and into the bottle without touching the water directly. Anytime your hand touches the water, that makes the water no longer sterile because germs are introduced. So be careful in how you transfer the water. And now we will cover how to sterilize equipment. So first, you want to wash the bottle, the nipple, and the cap, and anything you use for baby with soapy water. At this time, it is important to check the bottle and nipple for any cracks. If the bottle or nipple has any cracks, this can lead to bacteria growing inside the cracks. This can make baby very sick. Also, the cracks can cause cuts in baby's mouth. Once everything is washed, make sure you rinse it and place it on a clean place to dry. Once everything is dried, then you want to place everything that you want to sterilize into boiling water. Now, this includes the bottles, the nipples, anything used for baby. Remember, you need to sterilize all kitchen utensils, anything that you will be using for baby under 4 months old. Just like the water, we want to boil the bottles, the caps, everything for 2 minutes to kill the germs. Once 2 minutes are over, it's safe for baby to use. Now it's been 2 minutes and everything is sterilized. Transfer all the items that were in the boiling pot onto a clean, drying surface. Remember, the transferring tool also needs to be sterilized. So today we are using tongs, and these have been sterilized before using. You can also use your dishwasher to sterilize baby items. Remember, you need to select sterilize or sanitize before pressing start. If you have any questions regarding formula feeding, speak to your public health nurse or see Healthy Parents, Healthy Children online or in the published books.